breathe like a boss. The germ guardian that hunts allergens and slays odors. Say goodbye to dusty air and hello to crisp, clean breathing. The GermGuardian 4-in-1 HEPA Air Purifier isn't just a machine, it's a full-time guardian for your lungs. With its True HEPA filter, it captures 99.97% of airborne nasties, from dust and pollen to pet dander. But it doesn't stop there, its UVC light zaps airborne germs, keeping your space fresher and healthier. Whether you're battling seasonal allergies, pet odors, or just want fresher, cleaner air, this purifier gets the job done. No gimmicks, just serious air purification power wrapped in a sleek, space-saving design. Why settle for stale, polluted air when you can have fresh, filtered bliss? Unlike budget purifiers that only push air around, the GermGuardian actually traps allergens and pollutants, ensuring that what you breathe is truly clean. The activated carbon filter eliminates odors from cooking, smoking, and pets, making sure your home smells fresh and inviting. It circulates air efficiently, refreshing a 743 square feet room every hour or a smaller 153 square feet space nearly 5 times per hour. With 3 speed settings, including an ultra-quiet mode, you get powerful purification without the annoying background noise. Sick of changing filters every other month? Don't worry, this bad boy is built to last. The HEPA filter lasts up to 8 months, meaning less maintenance and more savings. Its zero-ozone UVC light is completely safe and reduces airborne bacteria, giving you cleaner air without harmful emissions. Certified by Energy Star, ETL, and CARB, this purifier runs 24/7 without draining your wallet. Whether you're dealing with smoke, allergens, or just want better indoor air quality, this purifier pays for itself in fewer doctor visits and better sleep. Style meets substance with this sleek 22-inch tower design. Unlike clunky, outdated purifiers, the GermGuardian fits seamlessly into any space, from bedrooms to offices. Its easy touch controls make adjusting settings a breeze, and its lightweight build, 8.6 pounds, lets you move it wherever it's needed most. Plus, its durability is unmatched, with high-quality components designed for long-term performance. No cheap plastic here, just a solid, well-built purifier that gets the job done, day in and day out. Clean air has never been this effortless. The verdict? This air purifier is the real MVP. If you suffer from allergies, pet dander, smoke, or just want to breathe easier, the GermGuardian is your best bet. It's affordable, powerful, and built to last, giving you the clean air you deserve without the hassle. Stop breathing in mystery particles and start enjoying fresher, healthier air today. Don't just take our word for it, thousands of happy customers swear by it. Why wait? Give your home a breath of fresh air now.